हेल्थ के लिए, फिटनेस के लिए क्या करूं, किसको पूछूं, क्या पूछूं, तो अब उन सारे सवालों का जवाब, उन सारे डाउट्स, उन सारे कंफ्यूजन्स को सुलझाने आए हैं ये क्रिस गेथिन यहाँ पे. और I just want to say that his contribution to my world of health and fitness has been phenomenal, and he is here to contribute to the entire country. So if you have a passion for health, then your answers are at a arm's length away. This is the education that I have received in the past 1 year, and it has phenomenally changed my life. हम सब सोचते हैं कि बॉडी बनाना बहुत मुश्किल होता है, but मुश्किल नहीं है. आज I have actually eaten 8 meals in the day, और मेरे जो meals के sizes हैं वो इतने हैं. So I've eaten so much food 8 times a day, and that is the education that I have received from Chris, that you don't need to starve yourself. There is so much bad education, bad conditioning that we have been conditioned to believe that to have a good body you have to make a lot of sacrifices. There is no such sacrifice of starvation, of willpower. ऐसी कोई चीज है ही नहीं. So to clear all those doubts, finally there is a book that will help you in that regard. It has helped me a lot, and I just want to say that thank you, Chris, for being a part of my life, for contributing to the world of health and fitness all over the world, actually, and thank you for being a part of the health and fitness where India is concerned now. All the best, guys, and all the best, Chris. More success to you. Woo!
Thank you so much, Hrithik.
So what's the secret of your great and sizzling body?
What is the what?
What's the secret of your sizzling and great body? Secret behind your body.
Yes, I know. I know that word. The secret behind my body is now in a book. तो मुझे ज़्यादा कुछ बोलने की ज़रूरत है नहीं. You have to just open that book and read that book, and all the answers will be present there. So very simple.
Thank you. Yes, ma'am.
Hi, Hrithik. This is Shayanti from Exposure Media. You are a dad who is so fit. So what education would you want to give your kids about fitness?
I think all the questions are going to be framed in the same manner. तो मैं एक बार ही सबसे कह दूं कि the education that I have received is only one, एक ही है, and that I have received from Chris, and it is there in this book. So it is a lot of things. अगर मैं सब बोलने की कोशिश यहाँ पर करूँ तो it will take about 2 hours. So I would suggest that you understand that it is a philosophy that I have learned, which I want to pass on to my kids, and not only to my kids, but I also want to pass it on as a service now, because I feel it's a responsibility. I want to pass it on to all the people, all my fans, basically to the common man. You know, we really need to be re-educated where health is concerned.
आपसे सवाल है कि सबसे बेस्ट बॉडी आपको किसकी लगती है बॉलीवुड में?
मेरी.
और ये बुक आप किसको देना चाहेंगे खुद के अलावा?
पहले तो आपको.
इंडस्ट्री में
देख रहा हूँ आपकी जो टी शर्ट है वो काफी तंग हो चुकी है.
इंडस्ट्री में?
हाँ, पेट अंदर मत कीजिए सर, मैं देख रहा हूँ फट करके ऐसे हो गया वो.
इंडस्ट्री में मेरे अलावा
जी,
मेरे अलावा, प्रेस के अलावा आप किसको बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री में ये बुक देना चाहेंगे?
आपके अलावा मैंने कहा ना, मैं.
आपके पास तो ऑलरेडी है.
हाँ, तो एक और नाम,
कोई दोस्त बॉलीवुड से इसको जरूर.
मेरे ख्याल से आजकल तो 6 पैक जो है वो काफी कॉमन हो चुका है, तो सभी के पास है. दे ऑल लुक गुड, एंड इट्स वेरी नाइस दैट वी आर स्प्रेडिंग द वर्ड ऑफ हेल्थ एंड फिटनेस इन सच अ प्रोमिनेंट वे. तो आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ देम. हाँ, इससे बेहतर डिप्लोमेटिक आंसर आपको कहीं नहीं मिलेगा.
Thank you very much for your question. Yes, ma'am.
Hi. It's me, Sasha from Hot Your Hrithik and Chris. Really warm welcome to you guys. And Chris, this question is for you. As a learner, how is Hrithik during his workout sessions?
Here we go, complimenting me.
Slow learner. No, he's a very good learner. Well, actually, I learned quite a lot from him as well. He'd done some training in the past, and he knows his body very well. So he was a very easy client, I would say, to work with. What's inspiring for me now about Riddick is that he has actually passed this knowledge on to the rest of his family, and this is what he plans to do with the rest of India as well. Like, his sister is now in great shape. His father's getting in great shape. His mother, Pinky, is looking absolutely phenomenal. So for me as a trainer, to see him pass that on is exactly what my goal is, to see a nation of transformations, and he's the perfect guy for it.
कितने कंफर्टेबल है आप ऑन स्क्रीन एक्शन करते हुए और किस तरह का एक्शन देखने को मिलेगा क्रिश में?
किस तरह का एक्शन देखने को मिलेगा क्रिश में? बहुत अच्छा एक्शन, बहुत ऊंची ऊंची बिल्डिंगों से मैंने छलांग मारी है और बहुत पंचेस हैं, बहुत किक्स हैं, तो होपफुली यू विल लाइक इट.
और क्रिश के बाद कौन सी मूवी में आपको एक्शन करते देखेंगे हम लोग?
क्रिश के बाद आ रही है मेरी बैंग बैंग, which is starting in fact in 5 days, so looking forward to that. Yeah.
Hrithik, I wanted to ask Hrithik here, this is Khushali. I wanted to ask that nowadays obesity is an upcoming issue within children. So what would you like to say about that?
Well, I think people need to be educated. You can't really tell a child not to eat. Children only learn by example. So you have to become the example if you want to teach a child anything, whether it is about diet or whether it's about discipline or about willpower, about passion, about practice. All these things are only learned truly by example. So we have to become that example.
Well, this question is with Hrithik and Chris both. Here. Are alcoholic products like beer and wine good for bodybuilding?
Sorry?
Are alcoholic products like beer or wine, are they helpful for bodybuilding?
Are you actually really asking me that? क्यों आप रोज पीते हो क्या? कितना पीते हो आप?
I don't take, but I mean to say some of my friends just told that
You tell them not to take.
Yeah.
Warm welcome to you. And what would be a definition of best body?
Best body. Best body will be the body that you are happy with. If you are saying, यार मेरा पेट ऐसा है, but मैं ठीक हूँ यार. लेकिन अंदर, if you are not really happy about it, then it's not ideal. Your best body will be the body that you are happy with. Whether it is a six-pack or whether it is not a six-pack, if you are healthy and you are fit really, you will always be happy with your body, and that then will be your best body. Simple.